if you're seeing this video, please, this is an advice to you that is watching me. You see, in this social media that we now have so much doctors and nurses. Yes, so much claimed doctors and nurses everywhere. And you have to be very, very careful with the kind of information you're receiving from them. Somebody will come out today and tell you that this thing, you should take one, it will work. Then you will see another video that will tell you should take 2 or 3, that it will work, don't take one. A lot of people are bringing up, like, I don't know where they are inventing all those herbs, or maybe that treatment. They will tell you, take this or take that. You have to be very careful with the information you are getting out there. Some people are just out there to look for somebody's life to destroy. You have to be very careful. Imagine the other day someone was telling me that they told her to take 3 ampiclos bichan. 3 ampiclos bichan, that it will help to remove the baby that is in her. I don't want to use the right word because of social media policy. I don't want to use the right word. Imagine telling someone to take 3 ampiclos bichan. Is this no wickedness? Is this no wickedness? Everybody now is inventing their own style of treatment. And once they invent it, they bring it online. They will tell you, go and do it, it's working. Meanwhile, they are not doing it. You see this social media, if you follow what you are seeing, you end up having yourself to be blamed. Yes, you end up having yourself to be blamed. So you have to be very, very careful with the information you get out there. Imagine someone, the other day I saw a video, a lady was saying, bring a bowl, pour a hot water on it, put small salt. If you have clove, put some clove, then sit on it. Let the vapor be going inside your body for detoxification or for cleansing or whatever. That will help to cleansing your vapor. My God, who told you? Which doctor? Which nurse told you? Which nurse? Which doctor? You that is doing it, what qualified you? How many tests have you gone so far that made you believe that yes, this thing, it is actually working? Steaming your pickles is not advisable. It is not necessary. Your pickles is self-cleaned. You don't need anything to make your pickles to be clean. Your pickles is self-clean. Hence, you don't have infection. Your pickles is what self-clean. If you have infection, go and treat yourself. Go and treat yourself. Stop sitting down on all those things. You are applying the pH level of your pickles. Before you know, now your pickles now become a dried pickles, and you'll be saying, there is no longer fluid that is coming out. Whenever they touch me or my man touch me, there is no fluid that is coming out again, just like before. What is happening to me? Do I have infection? You have applied the pH level of your pickles because of what? Steaming your pickles all the time, steaming your V-pot all the time. Leave that V-pot alone. That place is a very sensitive place where you don't have to, like, you have to be very careful with the things that goes in there. They will bring one advice, you will take. They will bring the other one, you will take. You have to be very, very careful, because at the end you will have yourself to be blamed. How can somebody tell her fellow human being, her fellow lady, to take 3 ampiclos bichan? Please, I'm saying this because you might not know what will happen to you tomorrow. You may not know what will happen to you tomorrow. You may just go now and go and pick one of all these their, random advice. And from there now, one thing or the other will happen to you. So please, be very careful. Ask questions before you do anything to avoid stories that touches the heart.